Frigate bird, the master of the skies. The frigate bird is one of the most impressive seabirds in the world. It can fly at speeds of up to 150 kilometers per h, 93 miles per hour, and is famous for its enormous wings, which can span over 2 meters, 7 feet. Frigate birds spend days, and sometimes even weeks, in the air, soaring over oceans with very little effort. They rarely land on water because their feathers are not waterproof. Instead, they catch fish near the surface or sometimes steal food from other birds, earning them the nickname Pirates of the Sky. Did you know this isn't a balloon? It's a male frigate bird's inflatable throat pouch. He blows it up to impress females during the breeding season. The bigger and brighter it is, the better his chances of finding a mate.